everyone, welcome back to my channel, Motorbike Dynamic. Today, I have a surprise for you. Now we bring you the hottest reviews of the latest motorbikes. We're taking a closer look at new model 2025 Yamaha TTR50 motorbike. This bike is a blend of classic design and modern performance, designed to capture the hearts of both traditionalists and modern riders alike. Powered by a single-cylinder engine, the Yamaha TTR50 promises efficiency, and fuel capacity is 3.1 liters, and power of engine is 49 cc. Without compromising on power, it's designed to be the perfect urban companion, offering agility and responsiveness that make city commuting a breeze. Sleek and aggressive exterior design captures your attention. The bike sports a muscular stance, with sharp lines, and a minimalist aesthetic, echoing the signature look of Yamaha's larger TTR models. Its full LED lighting, including the round headlamp, tail light, and indicators, not only adds to its new appearance but also enhances visibility and safety. The bike offers a clean and minimalist dashboard that focuses on the essentials. The digital LCD display is crisp and clear, providing all the necessary information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and gear position. The switchgear is well laid out and intuitive, allowing for easy operation, even while riding. The overall fit and finish of the controls and materials reflect Yamaha's attention to detail. The bike features a well-padded seat that offers good support, making it suitable for both short city rides and longer journeys. The suspension setup, which includes a Showa 41mm SFFBPUSD front fork and a rear monoshock, is tuned to absorb road imperfections effectively, providing a smooth and controlled ride. The compact size of the Yamaha TTR50 ensures that even shorter riders, the engine delivers a respectable amount of power and torque, making it more than capable of handling urban traffic and light highway duties. Its 6-speed transmission is smooth and precise, allowing for easy gear changes and keeping the engine in its optimal power band. The bike's lightweight construction, combined with its nimble chassis, results in agile handling that's perfect for navigating through congested streets and tight corners. Additionally, the Yamaha's fuel efficiency